What you doing, guys? Oh,
We're learning to floss the teeth using these floss picks. They never flossed the teeth before.
good afternoon from Liang Merdeka Village. It's time to haircut by Roy. So the first time experience for Josh. So you ready for haircut?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll be good, but I'm
Are
gonna
you
try.
afraid?
Not afraid.
Alright, actually we already announced also to some people here in the village, but they still didn't
They
come yet.
afraid.
But maybe they're afraid also, or maybe they also already did the haircut in city. Yeah, because it's very far from here to haircut. And maybe also some family also have the razor. I don't know. Yeah, we try, we look, okay? Okay, it's finished now.
Who am I? I don't recognize myself.
To left, to right. The birds still need more neat, but it's okay. It's good.
Practice.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a new customer. Yeah. Siya bang itu?
Jangan dikasih gitu. Berhenti makan ini.
Dinasnya celana putih, celana merah.
Here, kelapa. They dry the kelapa. This one.
Ada belgeda mak. Oh, heran ada bel polio.
Hi guys, I'm here in Liang Merdeka, maybe about a mile out of town. I'm not sure. It's a long little motorcycle path. I got dropped off, and the rest of us are getting dropped off here. And our trailhead is up here. We're going up here and going to the waterfall. There's a beautiful waterfall here. And anyway, we're gonna spend some time swimming and enjoying that. And tomorrow we're gonna be heading off, going back to home. And I'm not sure if I'll be coming back the Friday or not, but we'll see. I want to start a program here every month. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll show you around from the other view. This is my view. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's beautiful mountains and farmland. I think this is virgin forest up here. You'll see more later. Beautiful jungle. And yes, there are orangutan here and tigers. So they're a little bit scarce. At least the tigers are, I hope. But the villagers here do see them, so hopefully I don't get eaten. And one of these plants, maybe this one, is extremely itchy. I'm not sure which one. If it's this one, kind of think it's this one here. Got a bunch of hairs on the back of it, and I don't want to try it. So, and me in my shorts, hopefully I don't get stung by that, because it's really, really, really awful. So I've been told. Just got mountains everywhere, beautiful mountains, farms. It takes about 8 hours to get out here, even though some people say it's maybe 6 hours, but I don't believe it. I've never been here in less than like 8 hours. So, alright guys, catch you when everybody gets together. Bye. Okay guys, we on the trail here. Took a little break to look at this lookout area. Looks like a cicada. And very beautiful area here. The river's down here below. And I gotta be careful on this rock I'm walking on. Anyway, a little hut here for kind of like a lookout. Because they do farming everywhere. So there's some little crops planted around here. Hello Bang Muja, how are you? Apa kabar?
Thank you.
Yeah. Village over there, I don't know if you can see. Pretty far. Anyway, such a beautiful mountain, it's a beautiful place. And fairly cool. I don't think you guys can see with this phone, but there are several red flowering trees spattered around in this beautiful canopy. Alright. Alright, we're almost making it to the river and waterfalls. Going through this beautiful jungle. Trail's been going really steep up and down. But at this moment it's not so bad, but I think the next 30 feet it'll be going down again. Hi Chandra.
Hello.
Hi Roy. Old log. Yeah. What? Flowers? What? What?
What?
Oh, the red tree. Yeah, I was talking about the red trees. Let's see if I can get to it. You can kind of see it, but not really good with a zoom. Ini apa? Oh, boy. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna look at the very strange fruit here. I don't think it tastes good, but it's a fruit. Yeah. Anyway, such a beautiful jungle here. So many things to see. Thank you, Bang. More flowers. Mr. Adams, this trip is for you. A little bit remind you of the days you ran around these jungles. Oy, wet. Put a mill end here. Walking through a wet jungle floor. Getting close here. Big canopy. They put little wood steps in here to keep the land from sliding down the hill. I don't think you guys can see that too well, but I definitely appreciate it. Into the water here. Wow. You like Roy? Yeah.
I like
Wow. Last time I hear there wasn't that much water, but we're gonna leave all our things here, dear?
Yeah, you can put that down there.
Alright guys, catch you later.
Hi, sayang. How are you?
Not good. I tried to leave you in the jungle,
Huh?
but you're still following.
Yeah.
Long time ago you said don't leave me in the jungle. I keep trying.
Yeah.
No success.
Mommy.
I'm just back from Waterfall. With Dina at the back. It's good to have the breeze,
Cool weather.
cool weather. Oh, this lake for the building the house. This one. Yeah. Dina, ini bunga rias kan? Ini bunga rias itu loh deh.
Hari Rabu Mami pulang.
Belum tahu sayang. Nah, nantilah. We walking with Jesus, walking every day, walking all the way, walking with Jesus, walking with Jesus alone.
But they have oranges and avocados and ginger.
Yeah.
And dogs.
They have the better lives here. It's good for medicine.
Coffee.
Yes, falling avocado. Do you think it's still good?
Yeah, just gonna take time to ripen.
Iya, ini masih bagus deh. Tekan dulu deh. Ini udah busuk. Masih bagus nih. Kayaknya jatuh deh. Oh, ini busuk.
Here's coffee.
Hah?
Coffee.
Coffee. Cepet ayo.
Hello, Sayanko.
Yeah.
What you sitting on? Stood up. Oh, good job.
At the back. We're at the first day.
We all together. No. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you, John. Are you comfortable? Little bit. Better than back?
Yeah, better than back.
Yeah.
Because my hand also like sometimes not strong. My feet, it stand.
You might fly half the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going 3 hours or 2 hours? 3 hours, I think. Berapa jam ke Kawanjahe? 3 ya. 3 hours. Yeah.
Tapi mereka di belakang nggak ada yang berhenti di kampung-kampung lain kan? Ada yang berhenti di Sembiring, ada mana? Semua Kabanjahe belakang? Semua Kabanjahe belakang?
Angkat dulu.
Look their condition. It's very dangerous.
Not really.
Yeah.